Are you feeling just a little bit stiff lately? Or maybe, your hands tingle more than they used to? Well, today we are diving into a super simple and honestly delicious 8-snack plan that's designed to help you rebuild your body from the inside out. This is all about using food to feel stronger and move a whole lot more freely. Does that nagging little tingle in your hands sound familiar? Or maybe it's that feeling when you stand up and your legs feel more like jelly than solid ground. These aren't just random aches and pains, They're actually signals from your body telling you it's missing one absolutely crucial building block. And that missing ingredient, it's collagen. Now I know what you might be thinking. Collagen, isn't that for skin cream? But its role goes so much deeper. It's literally the essential glue holding your entire body together. It's what your joints, your nerves, and all your connective tissues are built from. So the big question is, how do we get more of it? Well, let's find out. Okay, let's kick things off with 2 treats that they feel pretty indulgent, but they're actually working hard behind the scenes, helping your body repair itself. First up is something that feels almost too good to be true. I'm talking about chocolate. But listen, we're not talking about those sugary candy bars at the checkout counter. No. We mean real, powerful, high-quality dark chocolate. So how in the world does this work? Well, it's all about these powerful compounds called flavonols. Think of them like a tiny repair crew for your body. Research from Dr. William Lee actually shows they can help your body generate new stem cells and calm down inflammation. But here's the key, and this is really important. You've got to go for dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao or higher, to really unlock these benefits. And making it is wonderfully simple. You just gently melt about an ounce of that good dark chocolate, stir in a handful of roasted almonds, they're packed with amino acids, and maybe a few goji berries for an extra antioxidant boost. Then you just spoon little clusters onto a plate, pop them in the fridge, and in no time at all, you have this rich, satisfying bite that's actively helping you rebuild. All right, let's move on to our next snack. This one takes a common dessert ingredient and totally reframes it as a joint-healing powerhouse. It's time to see gelatin in a whole new light. Check out this number, 37%. That's incredible. That's the reduction in joint pain that one study found in people who took gelatin before they exercised. How? Well, gelatin is basically pre-digested collagen, which means your body can absorb it and put it to use almost immediately. A drop in pain like that can make a massive difference in your day-to-day life. And to make these, you just warm up about a cup of unsweetened cherry or pomegranate juice. Both are amazing for fighting inflammation, by the way. You whisk in 2 tablespoons of plain unflavored gelatin until it's totally dissolved. Then, for some nice texture and extra nutrients, stir in some chopped nuts and fresh berries. Pour it into a small dish or some molds, let it chill till it's firm, and you've got this soft, chewy snack that delivers exactly what your joints are craving. Okay, next up, let's look at a warm, soothing remedy that is one of the most powerful things you can give your body for deep, deep repair. Right, chicken bone broth. This isn't just a comforting soup, it's a really potent natural source of collagen that can help with everything from stiff joints to that frustrating pins and needles feeling. The magic is really in the long, slow simmer. When you cook chicken bones for 8 hours or more, you're breaking down all that collagen and releasing these powerful amino acids like glycine and proline. This process makes the nutrients incredibly easy for your body to soak up and put right to work, rebuilding cartilage and supporting your nerves. Now, here's the thing. You can eat all the collagen-rich foods you want, but without our next key ingredient, your body can't actually use it. We've got to talk about vitamin C. Think of it like the essential spark plug that ignites your body's entire collagen-making engine. And a fantastic source for that is cantaloupe. This super refreshing fruit is just packed with vitamin C. In fact, just 1 cup gives you about 2/3 of what your body needs for the entire day to get that collagen production process fired up and running. And turning it into a snack couldn't be simpler. You just combine some sweet cantaloupe cubes with a good squeeze of fresh lime, toss in some fresh mint, and then sprinkle some pistachios on top for healthy fats. It's hydrating, it's delicious, and it gives your body the exact tools it needs to get to work. All right, let's keep the vitamin C train rolling with 2 more fruit powerhouses. First up, you've got tomatoes, which kind of play both offense and defense. The vitamin C builds new collagen, while this antioxidant called lycopene protects the collagen you already have. And then there's guava. I mean, what an absolute superstar. It packs several times more vitamin C than an orange. It's amazing. For a simple and really tasty snack, you can try a tomato caprese with some avocado or mozzarella and a little drizzle of olive oil. Or, for a great protein boost, mix fresh guava into Greek yogurt with some walnuts. Both are incredibly effective ways to get that essential vitamin C into your system. And please, do not overlook the humble kiwi. It's an incredibly efficient vitamin C delivery system. Just eating 2 or 3 a day can flood your body with this essential nutrient, helping to strengthen your joints and ease that tingling in your hands and feet. Just slice it up and top it with some nuts for a perfect, satisfying crunch. And for our final snack, we've got pineapple, which brings something truly unique to the table, way beyond just vitamin C. It contains a special enzyme that actively goes to war against inflammation. And that special enzyme is called bromelain. It works all throughout your body to reduce inflammation, which, let's face it, is often the root cause of all that joint and nerve pain. You combine that with the pineapple's vitamin C, and you have got a powerful 1-2 punch for repair. All right, we've covered 8 amazing rebuilding snacks. So now, let's pull it all together into a plan that's simple, delicious, and super easy to start today. So here they are, all in one place. Now, the secret isn't trying to eat all 8 of these every single day. The real secret is the synergy. It's pairing a collagen source like the bone broth or gelatin with a vitamin C powerhouse like kiwi or guava. Consistency is what really matters. Adding even 1 or 2 of these into your routine can give your body the raw materials it needs to start healing itself. You know, it all starts with just one small choice. So, what's it going to be for you? Which of these simple, delicious snacks are you going to try first? Just pick one and start that journey to feeling stronger and a whole lot more like yourself again.